KoboFlux application. This is the version 2. You can see updated about 1 month ago, and we've had about 1,000 plus downloads. This has a lot of improvement, and we've switched the API. The API KoboToolbox made an upgrade, so we've switched the API to the latest one, which is the version 2, if I'm correct. So this is fully open source. You can check this, you can post it yourself, and you can run it. But if you want to try it out without having to install anything, you can always go to this KoboFlux.fidelisweb.com, and this will, yeah, you can try it out. So the first thing you do when you come here is this. You come to the settings page. Now the settings page would show this. So here is where you paste your API token key, and then you paste your Kobo base URL. So if you have a privately hosted instance of KoboToolbox, you put it here. You put your URL here. No trailing forward slash, and then you add your API token here. So for this, I'm going to fetch my API token, which I've fetched it from here. You can come here, click on accounts and settings, you go to security, and then you get this. You can click on display, and then you copy this. I have this copied already. Paste it here. The next thing is the URL. So this is the base URL, kfkobotoolbox.org. I have that here by default. So I'm going to save and test. You should see we have Kobo connection configured. So this would show you the forms you have. So this is your dashboard. It gives you a brief rundown of what you have on your instance. So come here, come to forms. I also come to my Kobo instance, and then I come here. You see these are the same forms I have here. Now, one thing to note, this is completely saved on your browser. So we don't have access to this. This is not, we don't get this remotely. It's stored as a cookie on your browser. So once you clear your cache, everything goes back. We don't see this, we don't have access to this. So when you can select, so these are the new things that we've added that you can do. So you can view the details, and you can download a matrix as a JSON, as an XML, or an XLX, which is a spreadsheet format. So you have information about this. Now the cool thing is this part, which is the upload data. So you can go from that particular point, or you can click this and click on upload data. So it's going to fetch the form, and it's going to give you a template on how the form should look like. So the major issue with exporting in bulk to KoboToolbox has always been the headers. You always get the headers wrong. So if I pick up something like this, let me import that particular sheet. So you can see this would give you the header that you're supposed to have, exactly how it is. So these are the generic ones. This will always be there, the start, end, and the meta root UID. So you can add your UID here if you want it, but if you don't want to add, it is automatically generated for you. So you need all of this for you to upload to KoboToolbox to make sure each of your submissions are unique. So I can add data here. Let's just say test. Yes. and then I can re-upload this to my instance. So if you had an existing spreadsheet, all you just have to do is modify the headers, or the first one, which is the headers, to what you have on this template, and then you can always re-upload here. So it also have a means of checking if if all the headers are correct, you see all headers are valid, everything is correct. But if your headers are not correct, it's going to tell you which one has a problem. So let's see, do this upload two. Let me download this. It's an XLSX, and then I'm going to add an additional one. This is going to be the incorrect one. Okay, so we have the correct one and we have the incorrect one. So we're going to test with the incorrect one. So if I come here, which is template 2, so you would see what it gives you. It will tell you this is incorrect. You don't have this there, but all of this is correct. And then you can have like a look at the preview of your sheet here. So this is for the incorrect one. So if I'm to upload the correct one, you can see this is completely correct, no errors were thrown, and I can just upload this, and then it will tell me this. So each and every one of them was uploaded successfully. If I should come, remember, not the sheet sample. Okay, so if I should come here, you see this was the latest one. You can see this has been uploaded. So that is just how it works. It's very simple. You can try it out. Uh, yeah, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and if you find this very useful, you can buy me a cup of coffee. Thank you.